What are actually the reasons why people actually collect loan? So I did my research and see different kind of reasons why people actually collect loan or request to borrow money online. Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. And I'm very sure this subscribe doesn't take too much of your time. And also don't forget, at the end of this video, like this video so that other people who are actually looking for this type of content will be able to find it. So here in this video we are going to look at different reasons why people actually collect loan or request loan online. So I found different kind of reasons to why people actually collect loan online. There are some people who borrow loan online for no particular reason, and there are some people who face or might face different kind of issues, and that might be the reason why they request to borrow loan online. So with my research, I found that people can actually borrow loan to buy a house. You can actually borrow a loan to go to a festival, to travel, and to buy other different kind of stores which they might actually need. And looking out to someone who borrow money to buy a house, so that kind of person might eventually have an issue about house renting or a particular place which that person is actually staying. So with that, if that kind of person is not comfortable with the place he or she was actually staying as at that time, so definitely that person can actually borrow money online or anywhere to get a house for his or herself, so that the person can live comfortably, and at the end of the day he or she will find another means to repay the money back. And there are some other points of borrowing money online. So with my research, there are some people who are eventually not having enough with them, so then they will decide to go for something that is higher than them, and at the end of the day they will find it so difficult to repay the loan back. There are some people who like expensive stuff, so they won't request for a small money or small loan which they can actually pay as soon as possible. Either of that, they rather go for a loan that is more than their income, more than what they're actually expecting at the end of the month, and this can cause a lot of different problems at the end, because you'll be struggling to find a way to pay your loan back, and also there are still some expenses which you would like to solve at the end of the month or even on a weekly basis. But with the loan you have requested for, all the other means to fix up some other stuff will be very difficult for you, and you might eventually put into borrowing another money or another loan from another platform or another website, and this will put you in different kind of problems at the end of the day, and you might later regret the fact that you borrowing money to buy a house or to buy any expensive stuff, or to buy or even to travel to anywhere you want in the country that you are. So looking out to some other points why people actually collect loan as well. So there are some people who borrow loan to start a business. If you are borrowing loan to start a business, I will advise you have much idea about that kind of business you want to start. And these are the reasons: because you don't know how long it will take you to get the capital back, the money that you borrow. So it's very hard for you if you have no idea about that particular business you want to start before requesting a loan online or anywhere. So you need to research about that particular business you actually want to start and know how you want to pay back. Then know the exact amount you should request for to start that business, so that at the end of the day or even by month end, you will know how you want to be paid the money back gradually until you pay the whole money finished. So looking out to that, we also found that you might actually also request for a loan if you want to expand your business. maybe you are selling a gadget and you want to expand to maybe you're just selling a mobile phone and you want to expand your business by selling laptops and all that, then maybe ring light and all, so you can actually request for a loan. So far you already have a method in which you want to use to pay the loan back, so that will make everything easy for you, and this will not affect your business, or other than that it will grow your business because you will be making profit in any products or goods you added to your business. So there are some other conditions and pros that you can actually look into if you actually want to request for a loan. So looking at that, know that this requesting for a loan will have interest rate at the end of the day, because you cannot pay back the exact amount you requested for. So you have to pay either 10% or 5% or 20%. That the percentage depends on the platform you are actually requesting the loan for, and also the length application, if the process in which you want to use to request for a loan. So there are some platforms which take 1 month, depends on how much you are actually requesting for. There are some platforms which take like a week, days and all. So it also depends on the kind of platform you want to request a loan from. So let's look at the pro between this loan requesting. So the pro is the fact that you will be able to get what you need as soon as possible, other than you waiting for other means to get money. So if you request for a loan, you will be able to do that exact thing that you actually want to do as soon as possible. So I'll also give you some recommendation app you can use to request for a loan. So there are some apps that you can use to request for a loan online with ease, and you will find it so easy to request for a loan. And also all these apps can give you a loan from 50,000 to 2 million naira, and it also depends on your credit score as well. So the more money your account received is the more money you'll be able to request for from all these apps. The number one app is FairMoney. I guess you might have heard about this FairMoney before. FairMoney is a loan app that supports in Nigeria, and also you can use this loan app to request for a personal loan or a business loan. So with this loan app, you can request from 20,000 to 500,000, and this also depends on the kind of credit score you have in your account. Number two is Branch. Branch is also a loan app just like FairMoney that I just mentioned earlier on, and they also offer a loan for mostly businesses. And if you are starting out a business, so I recommend you borrow your next loan from Branch loan app, and they will give you the best rate and the percentage, and there is a length period of time in which you can use to return the loan back as at when due. There are still some other loan apps you can use to request for a loan online. You can check the video in the top right corner or left right corner here and watch the video to see all my recommendation loan apps you can use to borrow loan online without any stress or any collateral. These are for you in this video. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I'll reply to it. Or if you have any recommendation about what I just said in this video, you can drop a comment and we'll look into it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new content, you'll be among the first people to get notification on your YouTube app. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.